welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making some Jamaican fried roti. Yes guys, today I'll be using 4 cups of flour, and I'm using all-purpose flour, some salt, baking powder, baking soda, some vegetable oil, and of course you'll be needing water. And also make sure that you have a rolling pin to roll out your dough. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can use a bottle, like a wine bottle. Wash it off nicely and use that, guys. Yes, so let's get right into preparing our dough. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be adding half teaspoon of baking soda, and I'm going to be adding some baking powder, so I'm adding 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Nice. And I'm going to go in with half teaspoon of salt, nice. So what you want to do now, guys, you want to combine all of the salt and the baking powder together. So you just want to make sure you mix this properly. Wash your hands, guys, wash your hands. Nice. Okay guys, so you want to make a well in the flour just like this, and then we're going to add our water in portions. I have 4 cups of water, so we're just going to add that in portions. And I'm using room temperature water, guys, okay? If you have a food processor, guys, you can put this in the food processor and make your dough, but I'm doing this the old-fashioned way. You want to have like a nice smooth dough, so after we finish kneading this, we are going to cover this with some wet napkin and leave it there for like 15 minutes. Okay, some more water. Lovely, coming together real nice, guys. Okay guys, so this is how our dough is looking right now, and I have used about 3 cups to be exact. I use 2.5 cups of water, so I have 1.5 cup leave. And now guys, we're gonna go in with some cooking oil, or you can use olive oil or vegetable oil. So I'm going in with 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. You just want to knead the oil in the flour like this, okay guys? Looking lovely. Oh, lovely that look. Okay guys, after you knead your oil in the flour, just want to make it into a nice ball like so, and then we're just gonna cover this down with some wet napkin. So you just want to wet your napkin and cover down your flour just to prevent it from getting crusted. And you're gonna leave that there for like 15 minutes to half an hour, and allow that flour to get nice and mild and softened. Okay. Okay guys, so our flour is ready. It's been about 15 to 20 minutes. So we're gonna remove our wet napkin, and we are just going to take out our dough. See how lovely that is looking, guys. Yes. So we're just gonna give this a little bit of knead again. Looking lovely, guys. Looking lovely. Awesome. So you need a nice clean surface now, guys. Okay. You can do it on your countertop, but you wanna make sure it is nice and clean, and we're gonna dust the surface. Okay guys, so okay guys, so I transfer my dough to my counter. Make sure that your surface is clean and nice. So I'm just gonna be doing, I just want to roll them in a ball, guys. Okay. So the bigger the balls, the bigger your rotis are going to be. Okay. At some point you want to put on the oil and leave it there to start getting hot. You want to make sure that you fry these at medium low so you don't burn your rotis. Okay. So this is how you make the ball, guys. So I just do like this, and then I roll it like that. Okay. Nice. So we're gonna leave them like that. So I'm just gonna do all of these like that. Okay guys. Okay guys, so I have like 9 rotis here, or dough, to make my rotis. So what you're gonna do now, guys, you're gonna dust these. So you dust your surface and you dust these also. You're gonna put them back in your pan because you don't want them to get dry out. Okay, so I'm dusting these, putting them back in the pan that we had them in before. Like so. And then you want to make sure that you cover these up. Okay guys. So we're just gonna put a cover over these because you don't want them, as I'm saying, to get crisp or crusted. So you just cover it down, and then you leave one on your counter with your flour dusted. And we're just gonna do like this, guys, just to get it a little bit flat. And I have my oil on the stove already, guys, heating up. Okay, and then we're gonna dust our rolling pin, and you wanna just roll this out, guys. Okay, and turn it over and roll. Like so, guys. So just gonna keep rolling, turn it over So we're trying to keep a round shape, okay? Okay guys, it's gonna have this nice and flat. Looking lovely. Okay, so now we're gonna put this in our oil, in our skillet. Look at that, guys. Looking awesome. So now we're gonna drop this in our oil on the stove, okay? Okay guys, so our oil is ready. Let's just put our roti in our oil. And we're just gonna leave it there on low, medium low heat, guys. Remember, as soon as our roti start to bubble, we can check on our roti. We're gonna flip it over. We're looking for a nice little golden color, okay? Okay guys, so I hope you can see the bubbles. I'm not sure if you can see the bubbles, but yes, there's some bubbles coming onto our roti right now. And this is when we're going to check and see if, no, not yet. So you just want to just check, guys, and see if you're getting that nice golden color, okay? Okay, so let's flip over our roti, and we can always flip it back, guys, if we're not satisfied with the color. So we just give it a flip like that. And we're just going to allow the other side. In the meantime, guys, I want to be rolling out your other rotis, okay? Okay guys, so our first roti is ready. It is looking lovely, guys. Great. So now we're gonna put in our other roti. And we're gonna repeat the same procedure for all 9 rotis, okay?
Here you have it, guys. All of our rotis are ready.
Guys, they are looking nice and golden and lovely.
Please remember to like, share, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so yet. Thank you. Until next time.